Hi, this is Russ at Keast Enterprises. Today I'm here with the Kwik Kleen 772. The 772 has 7 tubes that clean the grain. The grain goes in the bottom end here, the one that I'm showing you now, and it travels up seven augers. And those 7 augers have 9/64 by 3/4 slots in them, hundreds of them. That process of the grain going through the augers with all the fines falling out, it cleans the grain. The fines drop out into the bottom and drop out of the augers and into the tailings auger, and then on into a wagon or a cart off to the side. The clean grain comes out the other end, and the cover's up. You can adjust the height of the discharge with the jacks on the side of the Kwik Kleen. Tremendous cleaning capacity, 3,500 bushels per hour. This unit does not take out big stuff. It only takes the fines out. So it's extremely effective at removing the fines. Does not scalp or take the big pieces out. Does not take cobs or sticks out. This unit is 7.5 horse electric, 220. We can do 3-phase also. We can also power it with hydraulics, or we can do a dual drive, both hydraulic and electric. Again, this is the Kwik Kleen 772.